Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss about agree disagree essay, which is one of the most important essays in IELTS or PT. Well, the question is employees should give their workers at least 1 month holiday a year as it makes them to do better at their job. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Now here, the planning. Let's do the planning properly. Now, first of all, you have to agree to this because holidays are always better, and you have to think about giving examples, giving reasoning for your answer, and all those things. Now, first of all, the first paragraph, which consists of 3 sentences, that's what I'm going to do now. The first paragraph is all about paraphrasing the question, giving your thesis sentence or statement, that's your opinion, and then giving an outline. As you could see here, allocating paid holidays yearly, at least for a month, helps the individuals to improve their productivity as they will get some quality time away from work. Some believe so. That's what paraphrasing is all about. It's quite true in my perspective, as it could be beneficial for the company as well as the workforce. The upcoming paragraphs will explain my views about holidays and its positive effects on employees. Now, this is the second one is thesis, and the third one is all about the so-called outline of an essay, which gives you marks. And I always say this is the right blend of putting your essays properly. Once you do this in this format, then only then you are in a better position of scoring marks as far as IELTS or PT is concerned. Well, most of the students, what they do is that they miss out in paraphrasing or they miss out in outline. And don't ever write those by-hearted outlines. That will not give you marks. That's exactly what I would like to tell you at this juncture. And in this session today, what we are going to do is each and every paragraph I'm going to explain, and you could see how beneficial it is for you. All right. So let's start with the second paragraph now, where I'll be talking about the reasoning and those kind of things. Right. Well, let's continue with this, session, paragraph 2, which is about, here I'm going to talk about the stress. Stress is something that is really, a player in really making your life miserable as far as today's, office life or, career is concerned. Now, companies who provide holidays, they make their, employees' life better by providing this kind of facility so that they could go and enjoy. So look at it how I'm going to write this. To start with, the stress of this era on the working segment is at the peak due to the utmost competition and the company's demand to overperform from employees in order to boost their returns, boost the returns. So we move further to detail and further. The widening of business across the border worldwide has forced people to go that extra mile under pressure. Hence, having a break is a must to perform better. All right. To exemplify, companies providing value-added facilities to employees experience better productivity from the team. That's a fact. That's what we should be, telling out here in this slide. And this is the end of the second paragraph, where I've given you 3 sentences: topic sentence, topic expression, and an example. Out here, it's all about the concept that is being explained. 3 sentences, and these sentences will give you the marks that you are looking for. That's what I will always say. Yeah. So I'll be continuing with the next paragraph of the third one, to be more precise. Right. Okay. Do continue this session. Have a look at it till the end. Then you'll be getting the right blend of essays as well. Well, let's continue with this. So the third paragraph. In third paragraph, what we'll be putting it as what we'll be adding on is holidays with families, and how it helps in bonding relationships together. And these days people do carry office to their home, as a part of their working culture. So that also, it affects the family relationship. So going out, on a holiday definitely helps. So Google, a good example to provide. So let's see how these sentences come up now. In other words, quality time spent with families on a holiday always boosts the relationship, which in turn nourishes confidence, in the so-called individual. So to sketch out further, professionals these days carry work to home in the form of electronic gadgets, and at times it affects the family adversely. So that's the reason why we say, it's very important. To illustrate, Google provides free holiday packages and other benefits to its employees and this reflects in the ratio of their retention of employees year after year with a positive appraisal value as well. Now, this is something that happens with most of the corporates. These days this culture has come up. So that is what you should be putting it here. Look at the words, look at those connecting words, sentence formations, again, three sentences, topic sentence, topic explanation, example. That's what comes in here. This is exactly what is required for your so-called IELTS or PT essays. And just focus on these three sentences and look at the number of words. It will not exceed beyond 280 to 90. This format, if you write, it's always between 250 to 280 to 90. That's what will be there in this format if you write. So now we will continue with the last paragraph, that's called as conclusion and a little while. Yes, so let's continue with the fourth one. Now, how do we go about this? The fourth option. Now, the fourth paragraph is about conclusion. When you conclude it, you have to reaffirm your opinion. Whatever you said in the essay, you have to just reaffirm it. That's what the concept of conclusion is all about. Yes, what you should be careful with conclusion is, you should look at the number of words. So based on that, you should not be crossing 270, 280 mark, as I told you. It will give you marks. So let's see how this so-called conclusion comes up. You could see that how I have tried to make this, the points that we made clear in the last three paragraphs, that has been added on to here. That's exactly what is required to complete our conclusion properly, right? Now let's look at this. To sum it up, it's high time that the work culture should change on different aspects, but at least planning paid holidays to the workforce will definitely help them to uplift their performance and thereby contribute to the development of the country. That's what I will say in my conclusion. So this essay on the whole is around 269 words. It gives you a perfect blend of all the requirements of IELTS essays or PT essays to get above 7. That's what I promise you. I promise my students also, and that's exactly what we at Western follow, and that shows in our results as well. So definitely, I hope this session that you saw now in the last 7 or 8 minutes, it was really beneficial for you. If you have any queries, you can definitely contact us or WhatsApp it to us, or through our web, through our Instagram, through any of the social apps, or you can call. You can contact the numbers that is there on our website as well. I will be there to help you out. No issues, anytime, right? And moreover, do wait for our videos in the future. Also, we'll be coming up with all the 4 modules, tips and tricks as well. That's it from now.